When your system fails unexpectedly, PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides fast, emergency HVAC service Swarthmore, Pennsylvania to restore comfort, prevent damage, and keep your home or business running. Day or night, our skilled technicians respond quickly, diagnose issues accurately, and deliver lasting repairs. PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning ensures your emergency HVAC service Swarthmore, Pennsylvania minimizes downtime, improves efficiency, and protects your equipment from further costly problems. Contact us today to schedule your free consultation. Are you looking for an emergency HVAC service near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. When should I call for emergency HVAC service? Call PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning for emergency HVAC service when your heating or cooling system breaks down, airflow stops, or safety issues arise requiring urgent repair and assistance. What types of systems do you repair during emergencies? PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning repairs furnace, AC unit, heating, cooling, and ventilation systems during emergencies, providing reliable troubleshooting, repair, and assistance to restore efficiency and system performance quickly. What is the service area for your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania location? Our emergency HVAC service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Swarthmore, Media, Glen Riddle, Brookhaven, Upland, Parkside, Village Green, Lima, Chester, Eddystone, Ridley Park, Folsom, Rutledge, Glenolden, Fulcroft, Leicester, Morton, Wallingford, Moylan, and Elwyn, Pennsylvania. Where is your Swarthmore, Pennsylvania emergency HVAC service office located? We are located at 630 Fairview Road, number 110, Swarthmore, Pennsylvania 19081. Our phone number is 610-424-6275. Visit our website, pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-Swarthmore.